Hello students, welcome to Sources classes. Our today's topic is complex variables. So let's start with our very first sum. So here is our first question. It says let 3 minus I plus 2 plus I be affixes of 2 points A and B in the Argand plane and P represents the complex number z equal to x plus iy. Then the locus of P is mod z minus 3 plus I mod equal to in mod z minus 2 minus I is. So let us first write the equation given us is z minus 3 plus I is equal to z minus 2 minus I. So we can write this as z minus 3 minus I, which is equal to z minus 2 plus I in brackets. So as you can see, 3 minus I, we have here 3 minus I affixes of A, and here we have 2 plus I, so 2 plus I is affix of B. So we can write this as A P is equal to B P. So from this we can say that locus of P is perpendicular bisector of AB. So here we have AB, this is A and this is B. Since we have AP equal to BP, then for sure P must be on this line, which is perpendicular bisector of AB. So our answer to this question is option number C, that is perpendicular of bisector of AB. So now let's move on to our question number 2. So here is our question number 2. It says if 2 plus I root 3 is a root of the quadratic equation x square plus ax plus b equal to 0, where a comma b belongs to R, then the values of a and b are respectively. So we need to find the values of a and b. So let's start. As we know that if a complex root is a if a complex equation is a root of quadratic equation, then it becomes the root in pairs. So we know that 2 plus I root 3 is a root of the quadratic equation. Therefore 2 minus I root 3 must also be the root of the equation, root of the equation. So we have here two roots of equation x square plus ax plus b, and from this equation we know that sum of the roots will be minus a, and products product of the roots will be b. So from these two roots, let's check what is the sum of both the roots. We have here first root is 2 plus I root 3 plus our second root is 2 minus I root 3. So from this we get 4. Therefore 4 will be equal to minus a. Therefore a is equal to minus 4. We have here a equal to minus 4 in option B and in option C. So our option A and option D gets cancelled out. So now let's see product of the roots. We have here two roots, that is 2 plus I root 3 into 2 minus I root 3, which gives us 7, that is equal to B. Hence our answer is minus 4 comma 7, that is in option C. So option C is the correct answer. Now let's move on to the third question, which is our last question. This says the roots of the equation x minus 1 whole cube plus 8 equal to 0 are. So let's write our equation here. So our equation is x minus 1 whole cube plus 8 is equal to 0. We can write this as x minus 1 whole cube equal to minus 8, or whole x minus 1 equal to minus 8 to the power 1 by 3, which can be written as x minus 1 equal to minus 2 comma minus 2w comma minus 2w square. So we can write this as x equal to minus 2 plus 1 comma minus 2w plus 1 comma minus 2w square plus 1. So this will be minus 1, comma this will be 1 minus 2w, comma this will be minus of 2w square minus 1. So let's check which of the option matches with our answer. So it's clear that option B matches with our answer. So answer to this question number 3 is option B. So thank you for watching.